Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today let's dive into something that's been making waves in the health world: fasting. Whether you're a seasoned faster or just curious, this video is for you. Yep, you heard that right. We're talking about what happens to your body when you fast. It's actually been practiced for centuries. But what's really going on inside your body when you skip meals or go without food for a certain period? First up, the big one: weight loss. When you fast, your body doesn't have its usual supply of glucose from food, so it turns to stored fat for energy. Pretty cool, huh? This process not only helps in shedding those extra pounds but also improves insulin sensitivity. That's a win-win. Next, let's talk about autophagy. Sounds fancy, right? Autophagy is your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. It's like a detox for your cells. And guess what? Fasting triggers this process. So, you're not just losing weight, you're also giving your body a much-needed cleanup. Now here's something interesting. Fasting can boost your brain function. During fasting, your body produces more of a protein called BDNF. This protein supports brain health, improves memory, and even helps in learning. So, fasting can potentially make you sharper and more focused. But wait, there's more. Fasting helps in reducing markers of inflammation in the body. So, it's not just about looking good, but also feeling good from the inside out. And let's not forget about longevity. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can extend your lifespan. It's like turning back the clock on aging. You're not only adding years to your life but also life to your years. But remember, fasting isn't for everyone. It's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. So, there you have it. Fasting can do wonders for your body, from weight loss and cellular cleanup to brain health and longevity. It's a powerful tool, but like any tool, it's all about how you use it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.